If you would like to maximize your editing area, there are two tools that can help you do that. Using compact controls will hide the title and menus at the top. To do this, click the two arrows at the far right of the toolbar. As you can see, the toolbar has been moved to the top, and the title, menus, and share button have been hidden. There's a new search bar that is added at the far left side of the window. You can use this search bar to find items in the hidden menus. For example, if you need to share this document, just type the word share into the search bar and press return on your keyboard. You will notice that the sharing window will be opened for you. To reveal your hidden menus, click the two arrows at the far right again. Your title, menus, comment button, and share button will all be displayed. You can also use full screen mode, which will remove the menus and the toolbar. To go into full screen mode, begin by clicking the View menu. Now select Full Screen. As you can see, the menus and toolbar have been removed. To have them displayed once again, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Congratulations! You now know how to use full screen mode and compact controls and slides.